Hey guys, it's Matt Pittman of Meat Church. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make chicken wings. Let's talk about seasoning these wings. I'm going to use our all-purpose rub, Holy Gospel, really versatile rub for chicken wings. We can use this as the base for no matter where we're going to take the wing in the end when we sauce it. The chicken we've got here today, these are wing pieces, so they're actually separated into the drumette and the flapper. I just like to buy them that way, honestly, because it's easier. And I'm gonna let this seasoning adhere for 10, 15 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna throw them on a pellet grill. So we've got our pellet grill rolling at 375 degrees today. We're probably looking at about a 45-minute cook, which will give us plenty of time to go make our homemade sauces. You can make the sauces as easy or as complex as you want. This is a buffalo sauce that we purchased at the store. Let's say you wanna make a garlic Parmesan sauce. So I've got some garlic here that's minced with some softened butter, and I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna cook this until the garlic is fragrant, so over medium heat, so like 10 minutes or so. Or we could go a little more complex. So let's make a sweet Thai chili sauce. Take some fish sauce, some cooking sherry, some rice vinegar, some sugar, of course some garlic, some chili flakes, and I'm gonna take this off to the side and I'm gonna cook this for about 10 minutes. And when it's at the end of the cook, I'm actually gonna take this water and cornstarch and add to it for about 2 to 3 minutes. We like to take chicken wings beyond 165 to more like 190, get them a little more crispy. They're really difficult to dry out, so just trust me on that. So now I'm gonna have 3 sauces. I'm gonna take these wings that are all cooked exactly the same. I'm gonna toss them in 3 different sauces, put them back on the pellet grill for 5 minutes, and I can suddenly appease a wide variety of folks. Okay guys, these wings are done, looking good. And I'm wearing heat gloves, which is a cotton glove with a nitrile glove pulled over the top, which is how I'm able to handle this hot meat. You can see how this sauce is nice and tacked up and not just running everywhere. Make these nice and pretty. Remember, you eat with your eyes first. Now we need to add some Parmesan. Just when you think you got enough, you should add some more. The buffalo, I'm gonna leave as is. Now the tough part, deciding what you're gonna eat. I think I'm gonna go garlic Parmesan because they smell epic. And I'm a flapper guy because they're kind of one-biters. Loosen them up. Really, really good. I highly recommend this cook method. For more recipes like this, go to academy.com, and for all of your outdoor cooking needs, visit your local Academy Sports and Outdoors.